Hello guys, this is Akash. Welcome back to this YouTube channel Nursery with Lecture. In this video, I am going to share with you the last 15 days strategy which you can implement to crack the JEE 2023 April attempt. JEE 2023 April attempt is within 15 days. So these 15 days you have to invest very carefully so that you can get the desired percentile and the college which you have dreamed of. So it is very important to invest the 15 days very crucially, and these 15 days where you can invest. So the right strategy for every aspirant where you can use the last 15 days is on the revision of entire chapter as well as the practice the relevant PYQs. So it is very important for you to revise the entire chapter as well as the practice some relevant questions. So for this, to achieve this, I am bringing to you the Change Makers Batch JEE 2023 one shot series. This series is already uploaded in the YouTube playlist. You can check in the playlist section of Nursery with Lecture. So this one shot series is one shot series where every chapter of JEE Mains Mathematics is already discussed and it is uploaded in the YouTube also. You can go and check. So this one shot series where I completed the entire chapter in detail and cover the important topics which JEE Mains the official board will ask. So in this one shot series, every chapter will be completed and every concepts are also completed, and at the last some PYQs are also discussed. So you can revise the entire chapter from this series, that is Change Makers Batch. And the second series is the top 15 question series, that is practice series. So basically the two main things which you have to do in this time is, the first thing is revising the entire chapters, and the second thing is practice some relevant questions. The first one is already completed, that is one shot series, you can watch. The second series is for to practice the relevant PYQs, so that that complete set, that is revision and practice, will be completed for you. So the JEE Mains Mathematics syllabus is very vast. The syllabus is low only, but the problems are vast. So you cannot complete the every chapter all the questions. So to complete the relevant PYQs, the top 15 questions for every chapter I am bringing to you. This series is not uploaded yet. After this video will be uploaded, every chapter video will be uploaded on the later days. That is every day, one video will be uploaded. So the 15 days, the 15 videos or more than 15 videos will be uploaded in these 15 days. So basically the main task for you is to complete this series along with this series. It is very easy for you to complete, because in one shot series I completed every chapter within 2 hours only. 2 hours, yeah, maximum 2.5 hours. So after completing this video of every chapter, you can watch the 15 questions of that chapter only, so that the revision and practice will be completed for you. So wake up guys. You have to invest your time very carefully, so you can complete the entire syllabus of JEE Mains Mathematics, and you can score approximately 70 to 80 marks roughly, because nowadays the mathematics is very tough in JEE Mains. So you can score rough estimation of 80 marks and more than that, but you have to just simply follow these two series. And there is a bonus tip for you. The bonus tip is every chapter, while you are seeing from this video and the 15 questions which you are practicing, at that time you have to take a printout of every chapter where the entire important concepts will be listed down. So for this I am bringing to you the chapter important topics PDF. So basically this PDF will be uploaded in Telegram of Nursery with Lecture. So anyone didn't join the Telegram group, join the Telegram group, because it is very important for you to get the updates. When the videos are going to upload, you have to join the Telegram group. So when you join the Telegram group, the chapter important topics will be uploaded. You have to take the printout. It is around 3 to 4 pages, and take the printout. Not only mathematics, the physics and chemistry important topics is also present in that PDF. So you can take the printout and you can see for each chapter what are the important topics. So when you covering these two series, you can tick what are the topics covered by you. So you can get confidence by seeing this. These many topics are already completed. So to achieve this, you have to work very hard. The next 15 days is a golden days where you can get the result which you are dreamed of. The percentile which you are going to get will decide your college. The important thing is you have to work 15 days. You forgot about the result. Whether you will get the nice percentile, bad percentile, good college, yeah, bad college, leave that. Just focus on your preparation. These 15 days, don't lose the confidence. Boost up your confidence by covering the syllabus. Very simple. By covering these two series as well as the chemistry and physics also, where in the bonus PDF, which I'm going to share in the Telegram group, you can practice your own self, and you can make ensure that the entire syllabus of JEE Mains will be completed. So once you completed this, you can get confidence and attempt the JEE Mains without any fear. So this is the main strategy which you can implement the 15 days. Basically, this is not a strategy, but this is an actual plan. Every JEE aspirant which they have to follow while they are preparing, because the last 15 days you cannot start a new chapter, but you can revise and practice the chapter which you already completed. But suppose if you didn't complete a single chapter while you are following this series, that is JEE 2023 one shot series, the chapter one shot which you will be going to see will cover the entire topics for you. So suppose if you didn't practice the sequence and series, in the sequence and series, today only I uploaded the sequence and series. So sequence and series, what are the important topics will be present? You can go and see the video. You can get all the things like this. And there is another thing. While I completed this series for the January attempt, I also shared one tip. That is, for this Changemakers batch, the notes as well as the practice problems are already uploaded in the Telegram group. So if you didn't join the Telegram group, join the Telegram group. So approximately from this series, you will going to get 15 questions, top 15 questions, and from this series you are going to get 20 questions. Total you are going to practice 35 questions. And if you take an example of, suppose in mathematics there are a rough estimation of 25 chapters. So if you take just only 20 chapters and you are going to practice 35 questions each chapter, how many questions it will be? It will be around 5 to 10, 3 to 6, 7. That is around 700 questions you are going to practice in just mathematics. And also these 20 questions, along with this, I am going to share the notes also. I already shared, but I am saying if anything is not uploaded in the Telegram group, I also make ensure that these notes is also uploaded in the Telegram channel. So anyone didn't join the Telegram group, join the Telegram group, because it is very important. So you will going to get the notes and the bonus PDF where you can access the important topics of every chapter, and the top 15 question series, and the one shot series here, and the 20 questions which I am uploaded in the Google form link, which I will be sharing in the Telegram group. I already shared in the Telegram group. If anyone didn't join the Telegram group, because it is very important. So from these all things, you can make ensure that your JEE Mains mathematics syllabus will be covered, and you can get confidence and attempt the mathematics without any fear. Because any person who do mathematics will decide the rank for them. Because suppose I am very weak at mathematics. Suppose if I practice very well in mathematics and the remaining people are not practicing, my rank will automatically improve, because nowadays mathematics is going to really tough. An average of 30 marks are going to score for every aspirant. 30 marks, and the toppers are scoring around 80 to 100 marks because they are toppers. So don't think like they are toppers, you are dullers. Don't think like that. Practice. You also practice very hard. Complete these series and ensure that every chapter is completed, and you can also get around 60 to 80 marks easily once you practice. So don't lose your confidence, boost up your confidence, and wake up and work 15 days very hard, and make sure you are going to get your dream college. Thank you.